So Constitution of India, we talk about the preamble. The people of India, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign democratic republic. So there is also two more terms, sovereign socialist and secular democratic republic, to secure to all its citizens justice. There's three kinds of justice: socio-economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and an opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. यहाँ पे integrity और extra word add किया, unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. So this is our Constitution. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, और socialist and secular बाद में डाला गया था, and to secure all its citizens justice, socio-economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief and faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Here the liberty of thought, expression, belief and faith and worship shows that India is secular in character. So adding this word has no meaning. Then there is a equality of status and opportunity, show socialist character of India, that we give equality of status and opportunity. So adding these two words have no meaning. Then there is a unity and integrity of the nation. This word was added later. Socialist secular integrity, SSI, socialist secular integrity, was added later. So we the people of India tell the source of Indian Constitution. So these are the principles on which Indian Constitution based: sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and these are ideals of the Constitution. Justice, liberty, equality, these are ideals of Indian Constitution. These are aims of ensuring justice, liberty, equality and fraternity.